Wendell, you are something of a technology influencer, and a lot of people are concerned about your Twitter presence. You're really spreading a lot of Windows 11 hesitancy.
Yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of stuff in Windows 11 that I think is like for the power user. We've got all this new cool hardware that has tons of cores and tons of memory, and Windows 10 is starting to fall short with some of that brand new hardware, as happens sometimes. So I was really expecting to see more changes under the hood with Windows 11. I was really expecting to see more than just sort of a thin veneer of paint, which is what it seems like Windows 11 is. There's not really a lot under the hood that I can tell.
Yeah, well, it seems like you're disappointed in its release, which I understand, but the things that you're saying, this hesitancy.
Well, you got to look at Microsoft's history, because every time that I've done upgrades or anything like that, I've lost features or preferences have been reset, and Windows 11 doesn't look like it's shaping up to really be any different, because I've installed the test version of Windows 11 and pretty much immediately it reset all my configuration, it reset all my power management, it reset pretty much everything. Now, to be sure, the power management configuration stuff is still there, but there's also a new and different Windows 11 power management thing that kind of works on, and it's a little different, but it's sort of crazy. There's also like the ad wars. I can't help but drawing certain parallels in the unpalatable features in Windows Vista coming back in Windows 11, because they're really around protecting copyright more than the user. Like Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0, and in the Windows Vista days, we had the Sony rootkit, and so now it's like the Sony rootkit assisted by hardware. It's like, oh, it's going to protect the user, but
Well, what about the people who say that you're living in the past here? This is not Vista, this is Windows 11, and are you even going to give it a chance?
Well, if you look at Windows 11 and what it's doing with telemetry, they literally broke one of the beta releases when they were injecting ads, putting ads in the start menu. They're less worried about fixing search in the start menu and making something for a power user than they are actually having ads on the start. That's a higher priority on the development tier than actually making the operating system work. And then if you look at all of the other stuff around multi-core handling and security and the virtualization-based security, which requires a complete driver rewrite, you have to rewrite all of the drivers.
Who can upgrade to Windows 11? Well, it's easy. If your PC can run Windows 10, it can run Windows 11. We have an exciting announcement about security. We are bringing the Windows 11 platform. We are adding trusted platform module. It's going to be required. And there's going to be some exciting changes to virtualization. We're going to break some of that with the TPM. But this is all for enhanced security. We are bringing out the most secure Windows platform that we ever have. So due to some feedback, we listen here at Microsoft. We put on our listening hats, and we've decided that everyone can use Windows 11. We're not worried about TPM. You can run it in full virtualization, whatever you want. We're not going to give you security updates. Thanks for coming out. Thank you. Now we got a lot of questions about TPM and Windows 11 and compatibility. And you know what? People are hacking the registry and virtualization is in question. You know what? At this point, we don't care. Do what you want. Run whatever you want. Get your malware. Go outside the walled garden. Just whatever. I'm so tired. You know what? Why don't you just go and run Linux? Why don't you do the Penguin operating system? Because I'm tired of it. I'm done. So hey, I really want to thank you for sitting down with us today. We have been really wanting to get in front of the quality control team here at Microsoft and learn about what you're up to. Where's the rest of the team?
There's more of us. It's not just me. It's never just me.
Yeah, how many more?
There's a lot of them. Did they ask about me at the head office when you did all this?
The last 5 times I've brought up testing, I've been hung up on. To be honest.
Well, they're very busy at the home office. Did they ask about me when they finally emailed you back?
I actually don't know your name at this point, which is unfortunate. But
they didn't say in the email?
No, actually, there was no email. I don't think I'm supposed to be here. But one thing I really want to talk to you about is these accusations that Microsoft is really just letting the users test their software. And they're launching stuff that's incredibly buggy.
I didn't talk about that.
Okay. All right. I guess cut. All right. No BS, no marketing speak. Give me brass tacks. Why do I care about Windows 11?
Well, one of the really cool apps that I like in the Windows Store, you can get your text messages and your phone notifications.
I don't use a Windows phone. I'm using an Android phone.
Well, that's okay. Your phone will actually let you collect
No,
your...
my phone will not run Windows.
Well, if you want to get the
Do
messages...
I need to use your phone?
No, it'll run on Android, that's fine. But you need the messages like on your laptop and stuff. And
Nah, my laptop won't do that. It runs Windows 10.
well, you can use it with Windows 10, you just need your phone.
But not my, do I need your phone? What kind of phone do you use?
It's an Android phone.
So how am I going to use your phone to get my messages? It doesn't make any sense.
No, you have to set up your phone on your laptop.
Yeah, my phone is set up. I've been using it for years.
Well, your laptop will need the Your Phone application to see your phone because your phone can run.
I understand now. See, you have me confused. I was thinking it was the other way around. You're telling me I can run the apps from my phone on Windows 11.
Yeah, well, no, actually, we took that feature out, but it's everything up to that.
You are someone who has claimed to experience Windows 11 side effects.
Yeah, yes.
Could you give us some details about that?
Well, it started, installed Windows 11 and everything seemed to be going okay. But then I went into the search bar and I went to search for something and it was just nothing but ads, like just nothing but ads. And I was like, well, this is fine. I'm okay with this. This is, everything else has ads in it. Why not my operating system too? But then I went to the Windows Store. And the Windows Store, I downloaded something from it thinking it would be safe. And then I got malware. Well, after I installed it, the whole network was encrypted. TPM was supposed to save me and it didn't. It didn't help at all.